ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that offers a wide array of features to help individuals and teams manage their time effectively. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a large enterprise, ClickUp provides the tools you need to track your time, improve productivity, and meet your deadlines. Understanding ClickUp's time management features. ClickUp provides several built-in features that facilitate time management. Time tracking. Track the amount of time spent on specific tasks. Time estimates. Estimate the time needed to complete a task. Due dates. Set deadlines for tasks and projects. Start dates. Define when a task should begin. Calendar view. Visualize scheduled tasks and events in a calendar format. Gantt chart view. See how tasks are related and their duration within a project timeline. Recurring tasks. Automate the creation of tasks that repeat regularly. Reminders. Set notifications for upcoming deadlines or events. Workload management. See how much work is assigned to each team member. Setting up ClickUp for time management. To effectively use ClickUp for time management, you'll need to set up your workspace, lists, and tasks in a way that supports your time tracking and scheduling needs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a workspace. A workspace is the highest level of organization in ClickUp. Create a workspace for your company, department, or overall projects. Set up spaces and folders, optional within your workspace. You can create spaces and folders to further organize your projects. For example, you could have a space for marketing projects and folders within that space for campaigns or content creation. Create lists. Lists are where you'll create and manage your tasks. Create lists for specific projects, workflows, or types of work. Create tasks. Within each list, create tasks for individual items that need to be completed. Tracking time in ClickUp. ClickUp offers a few ways to track time. Manual time tracking. Start and stop the timer within a task to record the time spent. Manual time entry. Enter time manually, specifying the date, task, and duration. To track time manually, open a task. Click the Start Timer button. When you're finished, click Stop Timer. To enter time manually, open a task. Find the time tracking section. Click Add Entry. Enter the date, duration, and any notes. Using time estimates. Estimating the time required for a task helps with planning and resource allocation. To set a time estimate, open a task. Find the time estimate field. Enter the estimated time, e.g., 2H, 1D, 30M. Scheduling tasks with due dates and start dates. Due dates. The date a task must be completed. Start dates. The date work on a task should begin. To set due dates and start dates, open a task. Click on the date field. Select the date from the calendar. Visualizing your schedule. ClickUp provides several views to visualize your schedule. Calendar view. See tasks and events in a calendar format. Gantt chart view. View project timelines, dependencies, and task durations. Recurring tasks. For tasks that repeat regularly, ClickUp's Recurring Tasks feature automates their creation. To create a recurring task, open a task. Click on the Recurring option. Set the frequency, timing, and other details. Setting reminders. ClickUp's Reminder feature helps you stay on top of deadlines and important events. To set a reminder, open a task. Click on the Reminder option. Set the date and time for the reminder. Workload management. The workload view helps you see how much work is assigned to each team member, preventing overload and ensuring balanced resource allocation. Time management best practices in ClickUp. Consistently track time. Make time tracking a habit to get accurate data. Use time estimates. Always estimate task durations to improve planning. Regularly review your schedule. Check your calendar and Gantt chart views to stay on track. Update task statuses. Keep task statuses updated to reflect progress. Use dependencies. Define task dependencies to ensure tasks are completed in the correct order. Utilize recurring tasks. Automate recurring tasks to save time. Set realistic deadlines. Set achievable due dates to avoid unnecessary stress. Communicate with your team. Keep your team informed of your schedule and any changes. By implementing these practices, you can leverage ClickUp's features to effectively manage your time, boost productivity, and achieve your goals.